I'm not no rock star chef, but I'll tell you what I have got, freshness. King Island grass-fed beef, abalone, pulled crayfish, wild harvest dorper lamb. If you've got a good product, you don't have to play with it much. It will do the dance on the plate for you. This is a piece of Atlantic salmon that we've cured using our local gin maker, Heidi Weechen's. The abs on King Island are this big, they're like dinner plate. It's a great location to be a chef. We're in the pathway of the Roaring 40, so we have the purest air in the world, and the right amount of salt that comes in on that sea mist adds to the flavour of the uniqueness of grass-fed beef. We do a lot of foraging around the island, whether it's on the foreshore or in the middle of it. And if you've got an open mind to it, there's many, many things that you can create, you know, within a few miles of the restaurant door. Pulled crayfish, we steam it and then we pull it all apart and serve this as an entree. It consumes you. It's a passion that you've got to have or you wouldn't do it. Wild harvest dorper lamb served with a mango and King Island cheese. When people walk out the door and stick their head in the kitchen and say, "Oh, chef, that was really good, amazing," you know, that's what it's all about. That little pat on the back, I think, goes a long way. King Island is absolutely magnificent. It's a great place to grab a book, sit in a warm spot and watch a storm come across it. It's an amazing place. It makes you full of life. You could do lots and lots of things, or nothing.